Are you guys looking for a 4 to 5 bedroom house that's 2,400 square feet with an optional bedroom downstairs? Well, in this video, we are going to be touring the popular 2469 floor plan. We're here at the Elliston community by KB Homes here in the Southwest, so stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with Sqft Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like looking at new home build tours, or if you plan on moving to Las Vegas, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. It is March 25th, 2024, and today we are here previewing the Elliston community by KB Homes. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, the nearest cross streets is Blue Diamond and Cimarron. So we're here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. We're about 20 to 25 minutes away from Las Vegas Airport and the Strip. Now, great thing about the Southwest area, you guys, is over here, there's not so many like master plan communities, which means that there's no master plan fees, no sit-in lids. You're just paying for the HOA. And that's pretty much it. So lower association fees, but also in the Southwest, we're also close to the freeway. So easy access to the freeways, plenty of good restaurants, plenty of good stores to shop at. I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys here. This is the Elliston community. They offer 5 different floor plans here. Okay. All ranging from 1,590 square feet all the way up to 2,469 square feet, okay? With the base prices ranging from $439,990 all the way up to $494,990. Now, when you see base prices, just know that lot premium and upgrades are not included, okay? So as far as like the lot premiums here, the average lot premiums as of today, which could be subject to change later, is $9,000, okay? Now, as far as upgrades go, the typical upgrades that buyers are spending is going to be 10% of the base price, okay? So if you do the calculations, that's going to be your total, you guys. Now, what they're doing here at KB, it's mainly going to be building from lot up. So that means they release a lot, you choose your lot, you choose your model, and you choose your upgrades. Once in a while, they'll do a spec home, but they're spec homes, which means quick moving homes. That means they choose all the options. Those will be ready in about 4 or 5 months, okay? So those are still kind of further off. Like as of today, they do have 2 quicker move-ins, but they're gonna be like June, July closes, all right? Now, a couple of things about the community. HOA, it's the $78 a month. It is gated. Average lot square feet is gonna be 3,100, okay? Also something to note as well, 2 largest floor plans in this community, which is the 2124 and the 2469, they're gonna have side yards, not so much a backyard, okay? So the big slider is going to be towards the side of the house. Now for the smaller floor plans, the slider is going to be back of the house. So you'll actually have a backyard. Okay. That's about it. Build time is about 7 to 9 months. That's about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, guys. So welcome to the popular 2469. This is a 2-story, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bath, 2-car garage. And the base price as of today is $494,990. Okay. Now, if you're building from lot up, which most of you will, because that's kind of like what KB specializes in, you could choose the elevation. There's about like 3 different elevations that you could choose from. That's just how the exterior looks, okay? So this is the 2-car garage, but it is the sales office. This is a top selling model right here, okay? So yes, let's check it out. And I've covered this model plenty of times. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, so you'll have the garage to the sales office, okay? You'll have your coat closet right here. We do have a den here and a half bath, but you can upgrade this if you'd like. I know a lot of buyers will upgrade this to the 5th bedroom. And if you upgrade this to the 5th bedroom, this is going to be a full bath. Now, resale purpose, it's a good idea to convert the den into the bedroom, just because, you know, if you were to ever sell it, later down the road, people love bedrooms on the bottom floor. This is a, so this is going to be your closet right here, or storage space. Okay, one thing that I like though about this being the den is, if this was the 5th bedroom, this is a little bit more narrow. Okay, so you're gonna have a door right here and this wall comes in closer. But it feels more open when this is a den. Okay, here's the powder room. Cool. Okay, this is, I think, an upgraded pedestal sink right here. Okay, you got your standard toilet. You got the upgraded railing. Now guys, the biggest type of upgrades buyers are doing when it comes to moving into these homes is they're upgrading the flooring. So the standard flooring when you build from lot up is you're gonna have carpet pretty much everywhere except for the wet areas. So the wet areas, you're gonna have a 17 by 17 ceramic tile. So just imagine this area right here would be tile. You'd have some tile over there, the bathroom, the laundry room upstairs, okay? And then everywhere else would be carpet. But most buyers are gonna upgrade so that they have all hard flooring all throughout the first floor. Okay, nice open kitchen. It's a very open floor plan. Okay, now most 2469 models, you're gonna actually have the slider there, and then you're gonna have your backyard. But here in this community, and I believe Upton, the KB community by Durango, you're gonna have your entry to your side yard right here. Okay, so you're gonna have your large slider right here. Now, this is only going to, you're gonna have the slider to the side in the 2124 model, as well as the 2469, okay? Won't allow me to open that. But yeah, the smaller floor plans, the 1590, 720, and the 1998 will have the slider to the backyard. Okay. Yeah, so we got the optional 42-inch cabinets, as well as the optional color for the cabinets. And then we also got the quartz countertop, which that is optional as well. Okay, so standard would be you wouldn't have the 42-inch cabinet, you would have the 36-inch cabinets, and then it'd be like the maple color. Your standard countertop would be like a granite countertop. As far as the appliances go, this is standard. You'll get the microwave, that dishwasher as well. This is upgraded right here, the dual basin stainless steel. Okay. All right. So let's take a look here. Okay, so it vents outwards. Also, as far as appliances go, refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included. But you could definitely buy that with a builder. Their prices are very competitive. So here's your pantry, very good sized pantry. This right here that you're seeing as well, the cabinets up top, that is optional as well. Okay, because standard, it won't include that. But yeah, this model very, very popular, guys. Because as you can see, it's just really open. It flows really nicely. Okay, the ceilings are upgraded too. So you do have 9-foot ceilings. That's something I recommend that every buyer do if they get into this community. Because, you know, it definitely makes a difference between 8-foot to 9-foot. Yeah, I've also had clients too. They stayed with the 8-foot ceilings, but they told me later they regretted it. So 9-foot ceilings is definitely the way to go. So this is upgraded. What's standard is you would have a pony wall. but you know, you could upgrade it. I think the next tier upgrade, you could have like the white mission style railing, and then this would be a more advanced upgrade. Okay. You could actually do this and have it like all throughout like the top floor as well. You know, if that's in the budget. All right, so when you walk in, you have your nice loft right here. Okay, you're gonna have your 3 bedrooms, full bath, and then you also have your laundry room, and then your primary bedroom. Okay. So these things up here, these are transfer grills. They help regulate the airflow. And then you have your air filters right up here. Now, all these rooms are really good sized rooms. All of them are going to be larger than your 10 by 10. So this is probably an 11 by 12 right here. You even have a walk-in closet, which is great. Okay, on the second floor, it is 8-foot ceilings. Okay, this door is standard, so this is going to be the two panel door. Also, as far as like the baseboards and the door casings, as you can see, that baseboard is upgraded. The standard is 3.5-inch baseboards, and then you have the 2.5-inch door casings. Okay, so we'll come to the other bedroom. All right. Now, guys, also, if you are interested in a new build community, or if you're thinking about going to a new build community for your very first time, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be glad to meet up with you on your very first visit. Now, if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. At least let your realtor know, and make sure they go with you, okay? You don't want to go by yourself on your very first visit, because if you do, and you know, they'll make you, you know, they're going to register you. They're going to ask for your name, your email, and your phone number. But once they have you in your system, they won't let you have agent representation down the road. And it's not a good idea, just because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, but we look after your best interest. So our job is to make sure you get all the best incentives, the best deals. We walk you through the whole process. And plus, the builders pay the agent fees. So it's definitely a no-brainer. It's a win-win situation for you. Okay, so this is the community right here. So yeah, so this is towards the front, so it will be gated. The southwest area is really popular area, especially if you like to you know, be like centrally located. So the southwest is, we have easy access to the 15 freeway and to 215, and it doesn't take that long to get to the airport and the strip. That's why a lot of people move to the southwest. Also, here in the southwest, there's not so much like master plan communities. So that means like no sit-in lids, no master plan communities. You're just looking at like HOAs. So for this one, for example, I think, what was it? HOA is $75 a month, and that's all you pay monthly as far as fees. So you got your standard toilet, your shower tub combo right here. Okay, so fiberglass. Now what you're looking at here, this is optional, because normally it would just come with one sink. Okay, and then you have your quartz countertop right here. So this is the standard quartz countertop. So if you're definitely trying to save on budget, not upgrade too much, you know, you could just stick with a standard quartz. I mean, it still looks really good. Okay. You got the upgraded cabinets. We still have your upgraded flooring here. Okay, medicine cabinet as well. So right here would be your laundry room. All right. Then you have your attic access. Again, guys, washer and dryer is they're not included. You have your linen closet right here. and welcome to the primary bedroom. So this is going to be about 15 by 16. Also this door, you can upgrade this door so you could have a double door. Okay. I mean, if you had like the double door, which I think looks nice, I think you'd have to scoot your TV a little bit to the left. But if you want to like center your TV just the way it's set up, then, you know, it probably looks better with this, just with a single door. And then you have the carbon monoxide detector, smoke detectors in the bedrooms. I mean, just the smoke detectors in the bedroom and the CO2 smoke detectors out in the hallways. Okay. So a very spacious room right here. Look at them doing construction. See over here, a bunch of restaurants close by. Yeah, so you're close to stores, retail stores, restaurants. Okay, very good size, generous size closet. And then you'll have your smart panel box right here. Oh, actually, no, it's not right there. It's probably in the laundry room. Okay, we have your optional shower. Okay, so there's like 3 different ways that you could upgrade your primary bath. This is one of them here. If you wanted a standard, it would be like the shower tub combo. Okay, has dual sinks. And then you'll have your toilet room right here. But yeah, that's it for the 2469. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you have any questions, especially regarding like incentives or if you just need help throughout the process, guys, give me a call. I'd be honored to help you out. Okay. So, but yeah, until then, I'll catch you guys next video.